Assalamu alaikum. Are you looking to ship two cars internationally but you don't want to break the bank? Well, you are in the luck because we have got an ultimate solution for you. In this video clip, we'll show you how you can transport two cars in one container, and we promise that it's easier than you might think because one of our partner in Ethiopia has already been tried and they have already the cars reached safely. So in this with this procedure, not only you will save the shipping cost, but you will also enjoy the peace of mind that comes knowing that your precious cars vehicles are being transported safely and securely. Sit back and enjoy. Check out this video.
So this is how you can put two cars in one container. Firstly, you will have to lash one car upwards, and then so that there will be a gap between both of the cars, and you have to make sure that it is lashed properly so there will be no problem. And this shipment has already been moved, so there will be no issue. You can see the gap between this car and the container, and then second car will come inside once there is a gap of this, so you can put the second car just below like this, and this car will be able to go inside, and then two cars can move in one truck, one container or one truck.
Thank you for watching. I hope this procedure is very easy for those who wants to ship their cars, and if any partner, any forwarder or any customer wants to send his personal car to a destination, two cars in one container, this is how you can do it. Keep watching the channel, subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to subscribe. By the way, we are also shipping shipments from KSA to all over the world. So if you have any query to export your vehicle or import your vehicle from anywhere in the world to Saudi Arabia, or export from Saudi Arabia to anywhere in the world, you can just contact us anytime. Freight, ship and clear. Thank you, goodbye, take care, and masala.